home is more than just walls and a roof. It is a place where love grows, dreams are built, and families create lasting memories. Today, we gather to celebrate not only the completion of this beautiful house, but also the hard work, trust, and collaboration that made this project possible. To the Jamal family, thank you for trusting Homex Builders Corporation in bringing your vision into reality.
Una po, gusto ko pong pasalamatan kayo for the consistent trust. Isa po kayo sa mga naniwala sa amin and nasaksiyan niyo po ang pagsisimula ni Homex. Nagstay po kayo sa amin while we are growing. Isa po kayo sa mga naniwala habang nagsisiksikan pa lang po kami sa maliit na office. Isa po kayo sa patuloy na naniwala sa transaction ng Homex even though nag-start ito, somehow it started with a heartache and disappointment. But Homex, we stood firm. And sabi nga po sa core values namin, be transparent. Say the truth and the truth will set you free. And that truth leads us here today, that your turnover ceremony. This house and lot package is just the finished product of Homex Builders Corporation. Ang product po talaga ni Homex is to retain the trust from start to finish. To the point na firm and taas na po kayong nagre-recommend ng brand ni Homex sa friends and family nyo. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Congratulations.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo for making our dream into our reality. Special mention Sir Raymond, Sir Randy, Sir Patrick, and all of the Homex family. Thank you very much po sa effort nyo, sa brainstorming nyo. Sa wakas ay nabuo po itong pinapangarap naming bahay.